I want to give a quick update on my car. It's been a long time since I made a video. Thanks for sticking around. But I got some plans for 2024. Going to be building this for a hill climb, Appalachian hill climb series. I'll go into more details into that in the next video. Just want to do a quick update. Got some new wheels installed, and this video will be about that. Thanks. These are a set of Work Emotion knockoffs made by Rhoda called the Torque. Fronts are 16x7 plus 27 with a 215/45. The rears are 17x8 plus 35 with a 245/45. These secondhand, and they were missing the center caps. I own a 3D printer and decided to fix it. But if you notice, the rear, I couldn't get the center caps at design to fit because the axle sticks through the wheel hole. So I decided to take the OEM cap from my stock wheels and merge them with the caps using Fusion 360. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Looking forward to your guys' engagement. Look forward to the next video. Thanks.